This not look good.
Hold the creature still! Place the charge before I lose my grip! Take cover!
Big bad thing.
You hear from Mickey, Dutch?
Negative.
We need to get above this crap. Link with the B-net. One of our drones must have seen where they hit.
Good hunting, boys. I'm keeping my boots on the ground.
Thanks for the assist, Trooper. Get this Warthog moving. Our CO needs us to clear this sector.
Affirmative. Good timing.
Shotgun!
Let me on board. Find me something to shoot.
Look alive, you lot!
Watch that chopper. Hit it head on and it'll tear us to pieces.
Keep her steady, I got him.
Keep moving. Don't let that wraith take a shot at us. Colonel, sector's clear and we found some backup. Say again, Marine. I got drones overhead and OD brass yelling in my ear.
ODST reporting for duty, sir.
Nice of you to drop in, Trooper. Head through the park to my second platoon's location. They're taking heavy casualties. Need immediate assistance.
Roger that. I'm Oscar Mike.
What's that?
Where's the rest of your team, Trooper?
Scattered. Dead. I don't know.
That's too bad. We're gonna need all the men we can get.
Right! He sense of smug satisfaction.
Trooper, you're almost at second platoon's location. Give them a hand and push to the primary objective.
What is the objective, Colonel?
You know the Covenant carrier that slipped away from the city? We need to secure its old LZ. Snatch a Tier 1 asset.
Phantom inbound!
Play ball! Stuck it!
Trooper, this is second platoon. See what you can do about those raids.
Where's the Colonel?
Pinned down near the Covenant LZ. Once we clear this enemy armor, we can roll across the bridge to his location.
Changing mag! Charge stand ready. Boom! Headshot.
Oh no!
Don't nobody cross my stream. Oh, what a throw! Target down! All right! Charged and ready.
Look! The elevator! Incoming!
What the hell just happened?
Subspace rupture! Must have weakened the support rings.
All units. Target assets are on the move. Everyone clear the area before more debris comes down.
Colonel? Sir! Damn, it's gone. Trooper, head up the hill! We gotta find a way out of this park.
Hoorah!
This not look
Target down!
Found a hole in the wall, Trooper. Drive right through it.
Lord, I didn't train to be a pilot. Tell me I don't have any more flying to do today. So, was that a yes or a no? Amen.